Now, just doing a quick search of these Starbucks cups on Amazon, you could see that they don't even sell them themselves. They sell it from a third-party distributor, and yeah, they're nearing prices of like 200 to 300 just for some cups. What the fuck? Now, this crazy jump in price happened when an internet article on Yahoo said that Starbucks color changing cups sent the internet into a tizzy. What the f is a tizzy? Anyways, yeah, basically they posted this article and the hype around it just slowly increased all around the world. You can see here that everyone on Twitter was going crazy. I remember when it dropped, basically everyone started checking their local Starbucks if they had these cups, because they were reselling like crazy back then, probably like $50 to $100 each at a time, which is insane just for some color changing cups. Just a quick look on Twitter here shows a bunch of like articles and posts about it. Yeah, it just fit the basic need, the basic girl need, you know what I mean? This person right here said they went to 10 different Starbucks and they were all sold out. Now, when you sell these cups, the people you want to target are the Aarons, Karens, the Jessicas, and the Emilys of the world. Basic white girls. As you can see here, I have a couple packs of the hot cups. These are not the cold cups as shown earlier. These go for a little less, but still very rare. I'm basically showing you the backgrounds of them, what they come with. Like, it's just a basic package, you know what I mean? You can find it at your local Starbucks, but they're pretty aesthetic, and the fact that they're recyclable and that you can just reuse them and save money for them is just, I guess, a big factor in how popular they are. Price wise, yeah, you just saw they're like $11. Pretty sturdy, you know. They're alright quality plastic cups, you know what I mean? Nothing crazy, but you'll be surprised. You can sell these for a pretty good amount. They come in assorted colors, I think 5 or 6 different like pastel marble colors. And yeah, I'm putting them up basically against a nice background, you know what I mean? Something that will pertain to white girls, and there it is. Now, next step you want to do is basically post it to a local site. You can use Facebook Marketplace. Personally, I used OfferUp, and within minutes I got an offer. $93. $93 by Aaron. What did I say? You got to target the Aaron and Karens, Jessica's, Emily's of the world. So of course I'm gonna go through with this. After fees and everything, I made double my money. Yep, print the label, boom, there it is. And next, all you want to do is pack it. Now, when packing these Starbucks cups, yeah, they're pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie. Find a decent sized package. I spent way too much time. Look, I broke the fucking package, god damn it. I spent way too much time finding a package. I settled for this shoebox one. Fits it perfectly. Put the label on and you're good to go. Congratulations, you won. Easy money, baby. $83. Do the math, I made double. Now all you have to do is just rinse and repeat. Like, just visit your local Starbucks, see what special colorways they have in store. There are a few other ones that I sold that I'll get into right now. Just do a quick search on eBay and you'll be bound to see any type of colorway that will be profitable. Usually some profitable cups go for like $20 or $30 on top. So yeah, just visit your local Starbucks and see what you can make. Usually every season they restock different colors, so it's Halloween soon. Check for the Halloween colorway. I know they have like a matte black stud one that's going for a lot. And yeah, it's just easy money. Like, some people really don't know about this. Some people collect these Starbucks cups, but it's not so saturated of a market as it is like compared to hype clothing. Easy way to make a couple extra bucks. I've made personally generally over $500 just because I live near my school campus and we have a Starbucks on campus, and I just pass by every fucking day and see what they got. So easy money. Alright, nice to meet you, man. I'm Alex. Here you go, you can check it out or whatever. Oh really? Is it a gift or something?
No, she fucking doesn't. She collects them, she buys them.
Oh, does she?
Yeah.
Really?
It's cool, like she sells them.
Oh, does she sell them too? Yeah.
Well, like she got the Halloween collection when she fucking got like.
Oh, for real?
5 full sets of them all. Like all
really?
10 cups.
Damn.
Sold them all.
Yeah, of course. I'll see you then.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you have a good day.
Hey, you heard it here first. Man's even said he doesn't even know, but his wife actually collects them. Come on, man, like, it's inevitable. People are gonna buy this shit. Like, girls, something about Starbucks, you know what I mean? It's just that whole persona. He even admitted that she flips the cups herself. Sold one beaded cup for $100. What the fuck, bro? But hey, gotta love retail arbitrage, you know what I mean? Communism or capitalism. I don't fucking know. We out.